Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a hole into an object in Tinkercad. It's really simple and easy. So as you can see here, we have a box on the screen and I want to actually go ahead and cut a hole somewhere through the top. So now you will notice the basic shapes. The tab 2 shapes are a box and cylinder with this kind of gray silver pattern on if these are the default holes for Tinkercad. So if I were drag this cylinder out the gray pattern, you will notice it's kind of clear. I can actually go ahead and throw it into my box and I'm actually going to drop it down so it goes through both the top and the bottom, so it cuts all the way through. Now if I were to select both the cylinder and my box by holding the shift key or dragging a box around the both shapes, I can click the group button. This will actually group these shapes together and cut a hole through my box. Two holes they give to you, you can actually turn any shape into a hole. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create a hole in Tinkercad. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.